These are my safe crackers, and Earl here, you might not think that he's a safe cracker, he's a locksmith, but he is a safe cracker, and he safe cracks on the MacDill Air Force Base, on GSA safes. GSA, whatever that means, right?
GSA rated safes.
High security safes. And these guys here. And these guys here have been around for a long time, and whenever we have a problem with any of the safes, these are the guys that go in. These are the guys. This is my team, the safe crackers. And
I never knew that.
They're very serious group here.
All the time.
Anyway.
That's Ed's phone, just in case.
Yeah, I'm always ringing.
Yeah.
It's probably my wife saying, "Where are you?"
Where are you?
But
your wife doesn't call you. Quincy calls you more than your wife does.
Quincy, my dog.
Spends more time with him.
Welcoming to
I didn't go there.
But these are my consultants. If we have a safe we can't get in, and we're trying to figure out, we all get together, and and then we have Jim here. Jim, come here, Jim. Jim is now. We're training him to go into safe.
Take my place, yeah.
It's safe cracker. Sweeper. We'll call him a sweeper.
So this is Dave's apprentice, and so Jim is going to be learning
generation safe cracker.
Next generation, right?
We'll retire in 2 years.
Hey, wait a minute.
We breed them here. That's what we do. We breed safe crackers.
I'm still sore from last time.